Machine has a Accurate digital readout. Right now we're running in the low range. You have a Hardinge 5C collar closer with a tapered spindle. He's variating it up. That's high speed. It goes up to 3,000 RPM. Right now he's running the longitudinal feed. Yep, and you can see on the digital readout. You can switch the direction on from there and also variate it. Okay, cross feed. See it running there, and also he can variate it, and he can also switch the direction. There we go. All right. He's going to engage the lead screw. Lead screw's turning, and we're threading. You can also reverse it. Reversing the threading, okay. And he's got the cam there to back out. Machine has a tailstock as well. Number 2 Morse taper. All right. Hey, we also have some collets. Thanks for watching our video.